Hello everyone and welcome back to Belly Beanie and Friends. Today we will be unboxing the Cutie Cuts Scruffaloves. Surprise pup can be a Frenchie or a Yorkie. Now let's take a look at the back of the box. It has 10 surprises, which is awesome. It says you can shave, groom, wash, and stylize the Cutie Cuts. And you open it from this other end. So let's get started. As you can see, the Cutie Cuts has a shaver, a little house, and it is purple. Here's a closer look at the color. Now we are going to start shaving some of its hair off to see what's underneath. Now that we are just about done shaving the pup, let's open some surprises. It comes with a cute little pink comb, a teal-colored barrette, a cute little pink bear barrette, and a cute little pink collar that says Cutie Cuts on it. Now let's open box number 2. It has a pink hair straightener. Now for box number 3, we have nail polish. Look how cute this is! Now we are going to stuff all of the hair we cut off into this cute little bag to make a soft little cushion. We've completed step 1 and 2, which is the cutest cuts and sitting pretty, and now we will complete step 3, which is shampoo chic. We're going to give this pup a bath and get all of the hair we cut off, and then move on to step 4. Now that she is all washed and rinsed off, we are going to towel dry her.
Step 4, dry it off.
This is a pink toy blow dryer that we will be using today, but if you decide to get a real blow dryer, please don't forget adult supervision. We've already done step 5, salon surprise, so now we will move on to step 6, which is groovy grooming.
We're gonna comb her hair.
Now that we're done combing her hair, it's time for us to paint her nails. Now in order for us to get the nail polish to show up, we had to use some cold ice water to add into the bottle, and look at that pretty color. It comes out a bright orange. While we're waiting on her to finish her nails, we are going to move on to step 8, which is show that style. We are going to add her collar and her cute little bear barrette and her little tail barrette. How cute does she look? Now she is all set and ready to go. We are going to get ready to take her for a walk.
For more videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.